Hi.
Ashanti.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, good, thanks. My name is Sunny. How are you going?
I'm doing amazing, Sunny.
Can I just say how lucky I am to be talking to someone that was a massive part of my growing up, man?
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Hey, yeah, so take us back to the early 2000s. You were a massive hit in the US. But did you know that New Zealand had mad love for you as well?
I didn't know until I came. I remember being a brand new artist and getting on the plane and flying all the way over there. And just the love that I received was so insane, and it's so funny. I still use a lot of that footage on some of my video content, yeah, and it was just so cool. It was so cool, and it always made me feel like, you guys are like my extended overseas family. So,
well, did you even know where our little country was?
Back then, no.
Well, you know it now.
No, I didn't know.
I suppose the reason for me talking to you, Ashanti, was, of course, the big news. Actually, you tell us the good news.
Oh, I'm so excited to be back on tour, coming out there to see you guys. We have some new music. We got new video content, got the band, got all the hits. So listen, I'm just looking forward to seeing everybody. It's going to be crazy. Super, super excited.
Awesome. Yeah, you're going to be playing at the KŌRERO Theatre in Auckland, November 16. So what kind of things can we expect?
It's all about just creating an experience, We have some really cool bundles of merch. We got some meet and greets, So I'm just really, really looking forward to creating an awesome experience.
And so this won't be your first time in New Zealand, as you talked about. What do you remember about that trip, Ashanti?
I just remember having fun, man. I remember just being outside and the weather is awesome. The food is good, the vibe, it's a lot of positive energy and just feeling the love from the people, That's something that is really priceless, you know what I mean? Just being an American artist and receiving the same amount of love. And sometimes you get more love overseas, you know what I mean? Because a lot of people don't travel over there as often. So I just remember just a lot of positive vibes.
Cool. Well, speaking of the people, did you learn or see any of our New Zealand Indigenous Māori culture while you were here?
You know what? I did. We went to, oh my gosh, what museum was that? We went to, it was so cool. I cannot remember the name of it, but it had some really awesome, authentic paintings and pictures and statues and I gotta get the name of it, but we spent a lot of time there, and obviously I have videos and pictures and stuff. That was one experience that I loved. And there was another one. Oh my gosh, wait, there was a radio station I went to and they gave me this jewelry.
Right.
It was handmade, it was authentic. And then there was another place that I went. The people were just beautiful, and they were so shocked that I came outside, and it was I don't know. I just remember taking so many pictures with everybody, and it was cool. You know what I mean? It was just really cool because sometimes people, they don't really go outside of just going to the venue and back to the hotel. I kind of like to hang out, yeah. I'll walk around, you know what I mean? I'll go kick it at the beach. I'll go to the local town, grab something to eat, So I think for me, I like to touch the town and touch the people,
Oh, nice. Well, can I teach you a bit of Māori?
Oh, I'm all for it, yeah.
Okay, so when you come to New Zealand, we say hello kia ora, kia ora.
Say it one more time for me.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Yeah, and then you just drag it all together. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Ah, awesome. So yeah, you can just go, kia ora, New Zealand, and I bet you will have the crowd in the palm of your hands.
Oh, I love that. Wait, I have to remember that. Kia ora, New Zealand.
And actually, there's, your song, Baby, 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 baby. So I can't believe I just sung
Yes.
a Ashanti song in front of her. Well, the Māori word for baby is pepi. So you could actually change it to pepi, 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 pepi.
Peppy, 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 peppy.
That's it. Oh, nice, man. Well, you know, like you said, pepi, pepi, pepi. Speaking of baby, are you going to be bringing your pepi on tour with you?
I believe I'm going to be bringing them. I was trying to figure out, you know what I mean, if I should leave them. But I'm like, I don't think I can be gone that long. That's too long, you know what I mean, to not see my baby. Then it's like we're traveling so much. So I'm 90% bringing them. But there is one thing that I think is going to take it over the top.
We'll see.
I think, maybe you can help me with this one. I don't know if they're from New Zealand, but I think, is Bluey from like Australia? Because I think
Yeah, he's
my
from
son
Australia.
is super into Bluey.
Oh.
Yeah, my son is super into Bluey, so we're on a hunt to find Bluey.
Oh, nice. Well, that's not too far away from New Zealand anyway.
Yeah, not too far. So yeah, I think he's gonna want to come for that.
Yeah, definitely. Well, Ashanti, thanks for bringing back memories, man. It was so good to reminisce, eh?
Oh, thank you. Thanks for having me.
And yeah, we look forward to you coming back to New Zealand November 16 in Auckland. And last words, Ashanti, a message for your fans here in Aotearoa, New Zealand.
Kia ora, New Zealand. I love you guys.